I want to share with you this cool video from Tesla Giga Berlin, which is March 2020. Send and nothing but send. Do you remember these days? Giga Berlin drone operator Jurgen, who has been providing us lots of videos about the construction of Giga Berlin, has shared this on his Twitter, and I have a permission to use up to 3 minutes of his videos. Drive the Model 3 around the Giga construction site. What an exciting journey, he says, was in 2.5 years ago. The first Tesla factory on the European continent was being built and producing Model Y. Great achievements. Now you see how Giga Berlin was March 2020. This was 2.5 years ago, friends. You know, on 12 November 2019, the selection of the Brandenburg location for Tesla Gigafactory 4 facility was officially announced by Tesla CEO Elon Musk at the Das Goldene Lenkrad Award show held in Berlin. Giga Berlin is expected to produce batteries, battery packs, and powertrains for use in Tesla vehicles. It will also do assembly of the Tesla Model Y, which had been previously announced for Gigafactory 4 in March 2019. Construction of the facility was then planned to begin in early 2020, with a proposed start of production in late 2021. Elon Musk also announced the establishment of a new design and development center in nearby Berlin, but we still don't have the location, I believe. By February 2020, and about just this time that you see this video, environmental challenges had been cleared in court decisions, which allowed vegetation on the site to begin being actually cleared. Construction work had begun by May 2020, with initial foundation work underway, the setup of the first 4 construction cranes, and the beginning of the arrival of train loads of building materials, including pillars and beams. Musk has stated the construction of Giga Berlin will come together at an impossible seeming speed due to the use of prefabricated construction techniques, which I covered at Torque News channel. And on 9 October 2021, Tesla held the Gigafactory Berlin Brandenburg Court Fair, where they invited 9,000 local guests to tour the factory. Today, the factory is producing Model Ys, and the last numbers I heard from Jurgen, he says about 1,500 Model Ys roll out of the Giga Berlin factory every week, and he has shared some pictures, which I will do in my next report. So if you are interested, please look my next report, where I will show some pictures of new Model Ys rolling off the Gigafactory Berlin. And in the meantime, this is Arben Hari. I'm from TorqueNews.com. I will also show how the cell building is mostly finished. And please subscribe to our channel, like this video, so you don't miss my next video about Giga Berlin. God bless you and have a great day.